Hello friends, welcome to my GoBuildr review. GoBuildr is an AI site builder that instantly creates ultra lightning fast websites, sales funnel, landing pages, e-com stores, dropshipping sites, then course sites, agency website, digital marketplace, affiliate sites, and appointment booking website with just a single keyword. Now I'm inside the sales page of GoBuildr and they have a long sales page, so you can check all its features and benefits of the product from its sales page. And before going into the demo of the product, I like to mention that one link is given in the video description below, and that is my affiliate link. And if you purchase the product through my affiliate link, you will get 33 extra bonuses from my end, and all the bonuses will be delivered inside the Oriel Plus purchase dashboard next to your purchase product. And if you want to know what are the extra bonuses you will get, so I'll put this bonus page link in the video description so you can check what are the extra bonuses you will get. So now know the pricing details of the product. So the GoBuildr front end price is $17. Some upsells are also there. Unlimited $67 and $47. Done for you $297 and $197. Automation $47 and $27. Income booster $47 and $27. Limitless traffic $97 and $77. Then 10k affiliate profit $67 and $47. Mobile payday $47 and $27. Reseller $197 and $97. And done for you profit site $47 and $27. Now watch the complete official demo video of the product. Also, you'll get 5 extra bonuses from the vendor end. So bonus 1, GoBuildr mobile app builder. Then GoBuildr SEO optimizer. Bonus 3, VidMeet. Then GoBuildr social proof. And bonus 5, AI kit WordPress AI writer. And also you will get free bonus. First 100 smart action takers get access to GoBuildr unlimited commercial license. And also they provide 180-day money back guarantee. If you don't like the product for any reason, you can return it back. With our money back guarantee, try out GoBuildr risk-free for 180 days. So if you don't like it for even a serious reason, come to us and we'll refund 100% of your money with zero hassles. That means there is absolutely zero way of you to lose here. All the risk is on our shoulder. So that means you will get refund within 180 days of your purchase. If you face any problem or if you feel that the tool is not right for you, you can return it back. So that's all about GoBuildr review and a small demo. The link is given in the video description below for your ready reference, and that is my affiliate link. And if you purchase the product through my affiliate link, you will get 33 extra bonuses from my end, and all the bonuses will be delivered inside the Warrior Plus purchase dashboard next to your purchase product. So that's all about GoBuildr review and a small demo. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to hit the bell notification, because whenever I publish a new video, you will be get notified instantly. So thank you for today. Bye bye.